The seventh benefit is that lengthy acts of worship are made easier. Food prevents a man from worshipping much, since he needs a time in which he busies himself with eating, and may require time for buying and cooking food as well. He needs time to wash his hands and to pick his teeth, and will make many visits to the privy because of having drunk so much. Were he to spend the hours he used up in these activities in the remembrance of Allah, intimate communing with Him, and the other varieties of worship, he would profit greatly. Among the things which are made impossible by much eating are retaining the condition of tahara and spending much time in the mosque, for someone who eats abundantly is obliged to leave the mosque when he breaks his state of purity and in order to pass water. Among them likewise is fasting, which is easier for a man who is accustomed to hunger. If you're used to being hungry, then fasting is something you can do more often. Fasting, together with spending much time in the mosque and remaining in the state of tahara and turning one's meal times into times of worship, yield a great profit which can only be despised by those who are heedless and do not know the value of religion, and who instead are content with the life of this world and feel secure therein. رَضُوا بِالْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَاطْمَأَنُّوا بِهَا, and who know only the appearance of the life of this world, ظاهرا من الحياة الدنيا, and are heedless of the akhirah. وبالآخرة هم غافلون. Abu Sulaiman ad-Darani, again, has pointed out 6 disadvantages of eating one's fill by saying, whosoever eats his fill is attended by 6 defects. He loses the sweetness of communing with Allah. He is unable to memorize divine wisdom. He is denied compassion for others, since when he is full he imagines that everyone else is full likewise. He finds worship to be burdensome. His desires become stronger. And while other believers are at the mosques, those who have eaten their fill are at the rubbish heaps and the latrines, emptying their stomachs.